Hi everybody, today we're gonna have a quick look what's in the box when you buy this Mavic mountain bike shoes, the Fury edition. These are 43 and 1/3 in size, and the US size it is 9.5. Let's open the box, and inside we find this nice shoe bag with a net in the front for good ventilation, and inside we are finding the shoes. Contour grip outer sole, carbon super stiff outer sole, and one big buckle on the top and two strap buckles underneath. And also included are the spikes here with the spikes tool also. Let's see how much one shoe weighs. There you have it, 379 grams for one shoe. And that's what was in the box. So here it is, the Mavic Fury mountain bike shoe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon again. Bye bye.